Now, there is a small problem with this program because right now it's basically allowing any party to just register any address, which can be very bad because a person can simply register our address in this particular smart contract, but let's say we don't want to. So how can we better create a register function where the only person who can register is the person sending the transaction? Solidity has some special and available variables, okay? Let's go to this documentation, to the units and global variables section, and we can see that there are some special variables. One of them is msg.sender, that is going to give you the value of the address of the sender of the message. So the person who is sending the transaction is gonna be the MSG sender, okay? So instead of passing the address like that, we simply are gonna say MSG sender, and that should work. Okay, so let's test again. Deploy, register. Notice how register now only requires the age, and which address is going to be the one that we have selected here. So let's say 10. It was successful, and now let's check. Okay, we are getting 10. Now let's change the account. Now I'm gonna use the second account, and I'm gonna register now with 15. Okay, let's first verify that the default value is 0. Okay, now I'm gonna register. I'm gonna try to get the value again, and there we are. We have 15.